I'll be doing a review on the Ywigs Deep Wave Human Braiding Hair. I received a clip, crochet needle, and a carpet comb for parting. They sent me 2 bundles of 20 inches in the color 1B. And again, this is their Deep Wave Human Braiding Hair texture. If you look closely, I'm sure you can see the details and the waves. They are beautiful. I wanted to show you just in one clip how the hair looked with just one bundle, and then in this clip I wanted to show you the thickness of both of them side by side. So this was actually my first time ever doing boho braids. Normally when I do knotless braids, I will typically either do one or two things. I'll either keep them straight or I'll get them curly to where they're like that at the ends, but I've never done them to where they are the boho style. And this style altogether took, I want to say, about 6 hours from start to finish. Now we did have about I want to say maybe 30 to 35 minute break in between, because you know we was getting hungry. You already know how that go. If you've ever gotten your braids done before, you already know the drill. It was time to get a meal. We had to go get some food because I was about to pass out, and I'm sure she was too. She wasn't saying it because she know not to tell me that. That's my sister, by the way, guys. She knows not to scare me like that while she's playing in my hair. So yeah, we had to go get us some food so that we could make sure that everything came out how it needed to look. And just to piggyback off of what I just mentioned, this is my sister, guys. She does hair. She has been doing braids for a little minute. She has gotten so good. If you guys are interested in booking an appointment with her, I will leave all of her information down below in my description bar, so be sure to check that out, as well as the products. And then I'll also leave her IG on somewhere on this video. She did make a separate Instagram account. It is freshly new, so when you go on there, there's not going to be too much going on because she just made it, but she is accepting appointments.
It's a real good hair.
How can you tell if it's good or bad?
Because of our natural. Like the hair, you get the synthetic ones, you get the biggest stepper. Like as soon as you put it in your head, it'll be tangled. Like you see how you can run your fingers like straight through there, like that. That's good quality. So you have to treat this hair like these braids how you would treat a human curly wig.
A little method that she told me that she likes to do is to just add 3 pieces of the braiding hair into the braid. So she said she'll do 1 piece at the top, a piece at the bottom, and then I believe she said a piece at the middle, but for sure she said she always does a piece at the top, because a lot of people that she has seen, when they do their pieces added in, like they do it to where it doesn't look full by the time the entire style is done, and that's definitely not what I was looking for. So always add you a piece close to the top if you're going to do these braids on yourself, or if you're going to do them or have somebody else to do them.
Yeah, I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, 2-turn baby girl, you know me, still with the dogs that I grew beside, all the niggas around me, ride or die, gotta watch the time cause it's flying right by, I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, 2-turn baby girl, you know.
Make sure y'all stay tuned to the end of this video, because I wore my hair in the middle part for an entire week after this style was done. And then once it was done, I started doing different styles with it. And by doing it this way, I wanted to be able to give you guys an honest review, an honest opinion of how the braiding hair was holding up, if it was high maintenance, if it was low maintenance, if it was anything that I needed to do, how the shedding was, if it was no shedding at all. So all of that good stuff. Make sure y'all stay tuned to the end of this video, and then I'll be showing you guys some styles that I begin to do. So that pretty much wraps up this video. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. If you haven't already, please consider liking, subscribing, hitting that notification bell so that you do not miss any more uploads from me, and also leaving me down a comment letting me know your thoughts and opinions on this look, and also what type of videos you'd like to see coming up next. And until next time, I will see you all in my next upload. Bye.